Hello people, you are welcome back again to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful 3D wall art. If this sounds like what you love, kindly watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. The materials used for this tutorial are my fabric, my spray, gum stay but I ended up not using it, my hot glue, I ended up not using it as well. I used my fabric glue instead, my scissors, marker, my canva. This is like a board. I think this is 8 inches by 8 inches, but you can use any size of your choice. So this is a DIY, and of course I have that disposable cup. Very, very important. So this is a DIY you can try on your own. So you saw what I did with that cup. I just used my marker to, make a line and I cut it through. This will be resting on the board. Just keep watching. You will see what I'll do with that. Okay. So after cutting the part I wanted, I, placed it on the board to see if it was very okay. Then I got a thick paper, just as you can see, I marked the measurement of the half cup now. So what I'll be doing is just to put the paper inside the cup so that it can help it stay very well on the board. I think I have a similar video like this on this channel. I did it like maybe 2 years back. I'll be linking that video to this video, so kindly check the description box for that. So when I was done cutting out the paper, I folded it in a way that it will be able to fit in to this cup. Okay, I grabbed my fabric glue, which I use in gluing it. So in this video I didn't even use the hot glue at all. The fabric glue did what I wanted. So after applying the fabric glue, I made sure I secured it properly, and I allowed it to get dried. But we are not going to stop here, guys. I will make sure I color it, like spray it, so that it looks like this normal flower vase that at least to make it presentable. So I'll go outside to spray it in silver or with silver color rather, but you can choose any color of your choice. Okay, so this is me outside the house, and if you are doing this you need to place something on the floor so you don't mess up your floor. So I just sprayed it till every part of the cup was covered with the spray. Okay, and I allowed it to get dried so that I could do the remaining part of this DIY. So when I'm done doing other things, I will definitely come back for the cup. So now I got my fabric. The fabric is just like a piece of fabric, but I just like the flowery design, the colorful leaves. It looks like maple leaves if you could look at it very well. When I got this fabric, I said, no, I must do something that will last me. Apart from using it to make clothes, at least something that I will always see every day. That was when I thought about this DIY. So what I did was just to cut out the flowers. Nothing so special. Nothing special at all. I just cut out the flowers, trimmed everything out. So this was more like a rough cutting out. So when I was done cutting out, I then trimmed it properly. Like I ensured there was no, I just made sure it was looking very neat, just as you can see. But in order to prevent it from fraying, when you cut out fabrics like this, you see the edges fraying. So I just got my lighter and I applied little fire, just to burn it and then make it look very even and neat. I did it for all the flowers or all the leaves. Okay, as you can see, I have two colors of each, two yellows, two blues, and two reds. At this point, my cup was already dried. Should I call it cup now or vase? But I saw that it was too plain. Then I grabbed this, should I call it trimming? My son gave it to me. So I was like, oh no, this thing will be good to, decorate this vase. I just got it from him. I applied my fabric glue and I'll just be using it to design it like this. But if you look at it, there was extra. So I had to use my scissors to trim the excess trimming. Some persons call it embellishment, okay? So I would just trim the excess embellishment so that it looks good. Yeah. This DIY was not just my idea. My children were just suggesting things to beautify it. They also supplied me with gems, gems, different colors. And funny enough, the gem colors, yeah, blended with the colors of the leaves. What a coincidence. So they gave me like blue, yellow, red. So it was more like a communal thing. Okay. So I'll just be attaching the gems onto this vase. Then you will see that it will look more presentable. So look at what I just said. I had red, blue, yellow, just exactly the colors of the flowers or the leaves. Again, I was thinking I'm gonna put the gems just the way I want the colors to be. So I was contemplating if I should put red first, yellow middle, blue last, or if you watched the live video, you will understand because I actually did this video live. I just re-edited it for the sake of those that didn't see that video. So at the end of the day, I settled with red, yellow, blue. It's now time to paste all these things on the board. First of all, I took the width of the canva, that is the width measurement of the canva, so that I could get the middle. If you don't do it that way, your work may not be centralized. So when I got the midpoint, I was now able to place those leaves on it like that. But I didn't just glue it. I just wanted to place everything so I see how it will look after, you know, applying the glue. So I just arranged it just the way I attached the gems onto the flower vase. The whole idea of this thing is just to like make a flower vase using Ankara fabric or African print fabric just to make it look realistic. So the 3D part of this thing is the flower vase that is not flat. You can see that it's protruding. So that was why I gave it 3D as a name. Hope you guys understand. So when I saw that after arranging it, it will come out nice, I started applying my glue to stick it onto the board, just as you can see. Although at this point you can play with the design, how you want it to be. You can change the pattern and anything, but it should just be presentable. That's why it's DIY. It doesn't have a particular pattern. So after doing all this, honestly, it was giving. Look at the colors: blue, red, yellow, like nice colors. Okay, just keep watching, and when it's time to attach the vase, then I'll come back. So I'm back, guys. It's now time to glue the vase onto the board, the canva. But I felt it would be better to put the stalk of the leaves into the vase. That way it will be presentable. Guys, can you see it's giving, right? So this is very unique, something you can use to decorate your house, your offices, your rooms. And you can't easily get things like this to buy anywhere because it's more like it's your creativity, you understand? Just look at it. Within how many minutes we are done creating something very beautiful. In fact, as soon as I finished making this thing, I just hung it in my sitting room. So every day I see it there and I'm always happy to see it because, people like colorful things. So guys, how would you rate this 3D wall art? Is it something you would like to try? If it's something you like to try, kindly let me know your um, experience in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you right there. And if you have watched this video to this point and you have not subscribed yet, please do. Do not forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first to see my videos. Do like, comment, and share this video. See you all in my next one. Bye.